book called Sushruta Samhita, which has the oldest text about surgery ever found. It's the year 2025. Surgeries have become very common in the medical field. But did you know that the first surgery, which was in fact a cataract surgery, was actually performed in India? Welcome to the ninth episode of Things You Did Not Know About the Universe that you are a part of. The first surgery was actually performed by a person named Sushruta in the year 600 BCE. He wrote a book called Sushruta Samhita, which is the oldest text about surgeries ever found on this planet. In this book, he actually wrote a training guide for students to perform various types of surgeries. Surgery technique he used was pretty simple. A patient is put in a well-lit room, then a curved needle is used to move his dislodged lens to the side of his eye, and then after doing the work, putting it back, and then herbal ointments are used after the entire procedure of the surgery. He listed over 120 surgical equipments and 300 ways of performing a surgery. Sushruta Samhita was taken to the world by Arabic scholars and hence translated into Arabic as well. Thus, many people don't know that it was actually an Indian person who gave birth to the concept of surgeries. Cataract surgery was performed in India 2000 years before it was performed in the entire world. So, what do you think about this? Also, don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe because I keep on reading on these things on a daily basis and bringing these facts to you. And there's no harm in learning new things about the universe that you are a part of.